Hi kids, let's start today's video. Color names: lime green color, red color, sky blue color, dark green color, purple color, orange color. Dark green color: A for apple, A for apple. Sky blue color: B for ball, B for ball. Lime green color: C for cat, C for cat. Red color: D for dog, D for dog. Orange color: E for elephant, E for elephant. Purple color: F for fish, F for fish. Dark green color: G for girl, G for girl. Sky blue color: H for house, H for house. Lime green color: I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Red color: J for joker, J for joker. Orange color: K for kite, K for kite. Purple color: L for lemon, L for lemon. Dark green color: M for monkey, M for monkey. Sky blue color: N for nose, N for nose. Green color: O for orange, O for orange. Red color: P for parrot, P for parrot. Orange color: Q for queen, Q for queen. Purple color: R for rose, R for rose. Dark green color: S for sun, S for sun. Sky blue color: T for table, T for table. Lime green color: U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Red color: V for van, V for van. Orange color: W for watch, W for watch. Purple color: X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Lime green color: Y for yak, Y for yak. Red color: Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Blue color: A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.